Hello, this is hello, good morning. Is exactly a quarter to 2 a.m. on Friday, date 21 of January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Funny, I had to count that. And I was working on this piece. I hope you can get a glimpse of the details. It's kind of about a mother already knocked down by a sleep, and she looks to be nursing her child. And I just want to capture the details as we go, because I can feel this will be a big piece. So let me know what you think. Here this is like behind the scene kind of thing. I have this picture for a long time. And did you read this? Reality and not myths or legends. And then a horse turns a man into a giant. I hope you can see this. You can see the details on this. It is all done by a pen. And I'm looking to blow up my YouTube account. So if you are watching this, you could leave me a comment, maybe a critic, a negative review. I surely appreciate those. Just let me know. This is supposed to be a child. I hope I was able to bring that out. And the mother. So see you around.